Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and use VN Video Editor on your PC in a simple and easy way. Open any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type VN Video Editor PC and press enter. From the search results, open the official VN Video Editor website. On the website, you will see different download options. If you are using Windows, click on Download for Windows. This page will recommend using BlueStacks to run VN Video Editor on your PC. If BlueStacks is already downloaded on your computer, simply open the installer from your Downloads folder. Allow the required permissions, click Install, agree to the terms, and wait for the installation to complete. Once BlueStacks opens, go to the search bar at the top. Type VN Video Editor and press Search. Select the VN Video Editor app from the results and click Install. After installation, click Open. Now VN Video Editor is ready to use on your PC. You can start a new project and begin editing your videos easily. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.